Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my creative journal, which is La Fleur. It's a classic size happy planner in a vertical layout. We are going to be decorating the week of February 27th through March 5th. I can't believe we're already in March. The time is flying. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for spending more time with me. So I'm going to be using the book called Hello Spring from Live Love Posh. It is a book from last year and she has these very beautiful spring florals in here. They're kind of wildflowers in the spring version of them. And that's what I'm going to be using. It's going to be super simple. Again, like I said, it's super quick and simple and just something that will allow me to write. I had such a busy week and we had no power for quite a while. So in case you are not living in Illinois and you don't know, we had ice storms. So the trees were completely covered in ice and they looked like glass. I will insert a picture at the end of this so you guys can see. They were beautiful, don't get me wrong, but so dangerous. So many people had no power and it was quite challenging because so many electrical fires and so many power lines down. So in case you didn't know, and then recovery from that event and not having power for a while was quite brutal. So I am making quick spreads to catch up a little bit, and that's where I am. And I'm so done with winter, obviously. I'm making spring spreads, so that's what's going on up here. So I'm just adding some florals throughout the spread. I added some rain boots with florals on a bicycle, and I'm gonna use my crocodile and punch the sticker up there. I think this thing is so amazing. It just lets me punch through stickers. It's fantastic. So that's kind of where I am right now. It's great. And I'm going to continue creating the spread. So I'm going to add a few more of those circles that are kind of for journaling, and I really do enjoy them. So I'll do those. And just need to find another page of them. They're not that easy to find, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna add one up here and maybe one on Saturday or something like that to kind of balance it out. I think that works. But look how bright and colorful this spread is. What else should I add to this? I'm gonna add this little watering can up there. I think that works. And then maybe I can play a little bit and add like florals and stuff throughout on the bottom to fill in that space. Let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna grab this little flower arrangements and just put it up straight from the bottom, and then I'm gonna grab all of these little ones and fill in the space. So hopefully that will be good. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna grab some butterflies as well. I think those are great for spreads like this, so here we go. Have you guys started creating spring spreads yet, or are you still very much in the winter? I would like to know. I am so sick of winter. This happens like every February where I'm just completely done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple more of these flowers in here. And I think that's pretty much the end of my spread. There's not much more to do. I am going to be writing with a dark black pen in here to offset all the colors so then my writing can stand out. But that's about all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. And thank you so much for joining and creating this super quick spread with me. Thank you, thank you. And like I said, I'm gonna be adding that ice picture at the end. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you soon. Bye.